Yes, organic chemistry is hard, but people who are willing to change their mindset and work hard at organic chemistry can and do succeed all the time. Welcome to Organic Chemistry. You might be about to embark on organic chemistry. Maybe you're a couple weeks in already. You might have some feelings about organic chemistry. You might have heard some stories. You might have heard that OChem is really hard. It is really hard, but maybe not for the reasons that you think. Let me take this video to explain why I think organic chemistry is as hard as people think it is, and what you can do about it to make it not so challenging. I think the big reason that organic chemistry is so hard is this idea of algorithms versus artistry. If you think about the difference between GenChem and organic chemistry, in high school chemistry or general chemistry, it was very algorithmic, right? You give me the right equation, I'll give you the right number, and together we'll get the one right answer. Organic chemistry is not like that. Organic chemistry is much more artistic than algorithmic. Let me explain to you what I mean. In organic chemistry, we are going to be drawing a lot of molecules and a lot of mechanisms. The answer to most of your exam questions is going to look something like this. In organic chemistry, we're also going to be drawing three-dimensional molecules that have 3 dimensions in 2-dimensional space. We're going to have to learn an entire way of drawing 2-dimensional projections of 3-dimensional molecules. In organic chemistry, we're also going to be taking those molecules and flipping them and rotating them and moving them around, getting different perspectives of those 3-dimensional molecules in 2-dimensional space. And that provides its own challenge. By the way, these are all screenshots from other videos that I've made. You can find links to those videos down below. And we're also going to be interpreting spectra to draw molecules. This spectra on top, you don't know what it is yet, don't worry about it. This tells us what this molecule is, and we're going to have to be able to interpret this drawing to figure out what molecule we are talking about. This is what I mean by organic chemistry being more artistic than algorithmic. If you're going into organic chemistry thinking it's going to be exactly the same as your GenChem class, you're going to learn a bunch of equations, you're going to find a bunch of formulas to get the right answer on your exams, you're going to have a really hard time. Organic chemistry is not like that. It's much more artistic and less algorithmic. There's one more reason why I think organic chemistry is a little bit hard. In GenChem, topics were more or less siloed. That's not exactly true. There were ways that these were all interconnected, but once you were finished with the gases chapter, you really didn't see the ideal gas law that much in any of the other units. It's a little bit more siloed. Organic chemistry is not siloed. Organic chemistry, everything is interconnected. Everything you learn from day one is going to be relevant until the end of the semester. If it's a 2-semester course, the things you learn on that first exam are going to be relevant all the way until the end of the second semester of organic chemistry. Everything is interconnected. You can't just leave one unit behind when you're done with the exam. You can't just say, I'll just take the L on resonance and move on and hope that everything else will be okay. It won't be okay. That's another reason why organic chemistry is so hard. So if these are the reasons why organic chemistry is hard, what can we do about it? There are some things that you can do about it. The first thing that you can do about it is just be aware. Just being aware that this is a fundamentally different course. It's an artistic course, not an algorithmic course. Just knowing that going in can bring you some ease. Another thing that you can do is don't fall behind. Again, because everything is interconnected, if you're not getting resonance, then you need to go get help on resonance. I promise you, resonance is going to be with you the entire course. You can't just not get resonance. You have to find some help somewhere. Don't fall behind. Another thing that you can do is look for those connections. As you're getting further in the course, when you get to the chapter on alkenes, when you get to the chapter on SN1 reactions, figure out how those topics are connected back to resonance, connected back to nomenclature, connected back to those things you learned at the beginning of the course. Everything's interconnected, so if you can start trying to see those interconnections, then you'll be better prepared. One more thing you can do is have a growth mindset. Yes, organic chemistry is hard. But people who are willing to change their mindset and work hard at organic chemistry can and do succeed all the time. It's not like, you were good enough for GenChem, but you're just not good enough for OChem. That's a very fixed mindset. Have a growth mindset. You can do this. You just may have to change the way that you think. You may have to change the way that you study. You may have to change the way that you go about office hours and reading a textbook. That's okay. You can do that. You can succeed in organic chemistry. I know you can. I'm here to help you do it. And you can also get help when needed. Go to office hours. I like to tell students, you have paid for an all-access pass to everything that I know about organic chemistry. Use me as a resource. Come to office hours. Come get help. Go to SI. Go to your teaching assistants. Go to your recitation sections. Get help from your lab instructors. Find a tutor somewhere. Get help. Watch my videos. Watch other people's videos too. Please watch my videos, but go ahead and do whatever you need to do to get help, to understand, to master organic chemistry. You can do this, I promise you. And if you're looking for something else that you can do, maybe you can work on some of your visual-spatial skills. There is a lot of visual-spatial skills that are important in organic chemistry. What do I mean by that? Have you ever seen anything like this before, those kind of visual-spatial skills? You fold this up into a cube, and the question is, when you fold that up into a cube, which cube does it make? 1, 2, 3, or 4? When you figure out the answer, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Let other people know. This kind of visual-spatial practice is something that you can do to help prepare yourself for organic chemistry. Being able to see something like this, bring it up into your mind, fold it, move it around in 3 dimensions so you can see it from all sides, that's a skill that's going to be very useful for organic chemistry. Maybe you're already very good at this. I was. I loved these types of puzzles when I was a kid. But maybe you're not, and that's okay. Again, that growth mindset, this is a skill that you can build. You can practice visual-spatial skills. There are places on the internet where you can do visual-spatial practice and get better at them. These are the things that you can do right now, from the beginning, before you even start organic chemistry. These are the things that you can do to help prepare yourself to succeed in organic chemistry. I'm here to help you. Your instructors are here to help you. Use us as a resource. We're here for you. You can do this. You got this.
Thanks for joining us today, Ninjas. Be sure to watch these other videos to level up your ninja training even more.